What's up, guys? This is one of those little containers to dump trash. Okay, we end up installing the GPS on it. Anybody who's got a roofing company or a construction company that has these type of or any type of containers that are driven by a trailer or any trailer, as long as it has a car battery or without a car battery, we have equipment for those who don't have a car battery. This one happened to have a battery because it has a generator, so we're able to do the installation. We hit the GPS as best as possible, so pretty much we're pretty satisfied the location that we got for this GPS. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. This is a GPS installation here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. We do cover Homestead and Fort Lauderdale. So anybody who has these type of equipment, heavy equipment as well, commercial dump trucks, semi trucks with dump truck in the back, give us a call and we can come out and install the GPS for you. This is a commercial GPS, by the way. It keeps track of the whole route of the equipment. If something happens that the battery starts dying on it, it will send you a notification to your phone. It has geofence. You can also set up a speed alert, so whoever's towing this, if they're driving crazy in the street, you'll get an alert on your phone. You can put multiple devices on your app and you can see them all at the same time in your map. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.